Hi, this is the HTC U11 Life and I'll show you how. Hi, this is the HTC U11 Life and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner that's on this device. So first, let's just try. I just set up my fingerprint here to this button, to home button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we will see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we could see, we could make it just with a simple touch on the home button, but not do it not so fast, because when you move your finger so fast, you have no chance to unlock the device. So just hold it for a while with a simple touch, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs ups and subscribe.